only. I hope you have done it. Okay, turn to your textbook, page 269. Okay, so this one you can write for today index. Instantaneous displacement. Okay, that's all. Can okay, today is what, 26. Okay, so that day you have learned. Okay, so I want to repeat again. Repeat and repeat and repeat. Okay, so if S is given, okay, the function of S is given. Okay, how we can get V and how we can get the A. Okay, get ready. I will call one by one. Okay, critical. I don't know whether you answer the same question as the previous lesson. Kritika, can you tell me from the S, okay,
Yes.
I have S, how to get the V?
Differentiate.
Okay, do what?
Differentiate.
Sorry?
Differentiation.
Yeah, differentiation, I know. But differentiate what with respect to what?
DS.
You tell me D what over?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, ds dt. Thank you. Next is Lydia. Okay, Lydia, how about if I have V? Okay, I want to find A. So I do what? Lydia here? Okay, dv dt. Very good. Okay, now okay, last lesson, previous lesson, from the V, okay, you want to get the, no, sorry, the previous lesson is from the A, okay, the acceleration, okay, how do you get back the V? Yeah, who's the next one? Oh, again. Okay, integrate. Okay, integrate what with respect to what? You have to write integrate what with respect to what? Still can hear me or not? Just now my network again not good. ds dt is not. ds dt is differentiate. Shahira, you say integrate is correct. Someone please respond. Can hear me or not?
Yes, teacher, can hear you.
Okay, Shahira, the integration is correct. So it's not ds dt. ds dt is differentiation. So integrate what with respect to what? Given A, you want to find V. Shahira still here? Shahira, you are still doing differentiation. Okay, I call another to help. Okay, Uijian. Uijian, are you here? region dt, only dt. You got to write integrate what, okay, with respect to what, because you cannot type the integration symbol ma. What you have learned in the previous lesson. Hello. A dt, okay, A dt, integrate A dt, okay, thank you Vanessa, thank you Vivian, okay, integrate A with respect to t, okay, then you get back to v. Today what we're going to learn is, okay, if we want to find this, we want to find s, so what we have to do, okay, if we have A, then we have to do this, okay, to get the V. Then after that we have V, okay, you do one more time to get the S, okay. Anyone want to try? Okay, I give you 1 mark. Who are? Vanessa. Okay, Vanessa 1 mark. Want to try? My question is, okay, if you have V, okay, how to get back the S? Shahira, you can try. What is V dt? What is V dt? It look like dv dt. Okay lah, never mind lah. Okay, I assume you are saying integrate v with respect to t lah. Okay, so for the v, you want to get back the s, you have to integrate v with respect to t. Okay, which is this one. Okay, but if the question start with giving you a, then you have to do it 2 times. Okay, integrate a to get the v, integrate the v to get the s. Okay, so this is about today's lesson. Okay, we straight away go to the example. Okay, look at example 12. Okay, you know integration, we will need the conditions so that we can find the C. Now, okay, if these questions you need to integrate 2 times, means you need 2 set of conditions, okay, for you to get the C 2 times, because you need to do the integration 2 times. Yeah, so we start. A particle move along a straight line, passes through a fixed point O with a velocity of 12. Okay, you see, okay, passes through a fixed point O, okay, with a velocity of 12. This information actually given you t equals 0, okay, v equals 12, okay, because it passes through, the time taken is start, okay, at t second after passing through point O, okay, t equals 0, s equals 0. Okay, and then when t equals 0, s equals 0, at that time the v is 12. Okay, so this sentence play a very important role. Okay, so I repeat, okay, a particle move along a straight line. Okay, this one nothing. Okay, passes through a fixed point, okay, with this velocity. Okay, and then the t second after passing through O. Okay, means you count the t second is when the particle passing through point O. Means when your t is 0, the particle is at 0. Okay, so from here to here, or I can say from here to here, and from here to here, these 2 sentences, okay, actually giving you t equals 0, s equals 0, and v equals 12. Okay, therefore, t equals 0, s equals 0 is one set of the conditions, and then t equals 0, v equal to 12, this is another set of conditions. Okay, these 2 set of conditions, after that I will need it to to find the C. okay, when you do the integration. Okay, continue. The acceleration A is given by this. Okay, so we start with this. Okay, the A is given. Determine the instantaneous displacement, okay, of the particle from O. Okay, so they want the S. Okay, means I need to integrate 2 times. Okay, so first of all, find the V. Okay, integrate the A. Okay, so integrate 4 minus 2t. Okay, this is what you get. Remember, plus C. Okay, how to solve the C? This is T and the V. Okay, use this condition. When T is 0, V is 12. Okay, substitute inside here to get the C. Okay, C is 12. Okay, replace here the C with 12. Okay, therefore, you already got the functions of the V. Okay, highlight it. All the function I would like you to highlight. This is function for the A, this is function for the V. Okay, continue. Okay, I use this function of the V, okay, to get the S. How? Okay, integrate the function of the V. Okay, so integrate 12 plus 4t minus t squared with respect to t. Okay, so after integration, this is what you get. And remember, plus C again. Okay, then how to solve this C? Another conditions. Because you need the T and the S. So here it is T equals 0, S equals 0. Okay, so T equals 0, S equals 0. Substitute here, you get the C is 0. Okay, so replace the C with 0, or actually C is nothing. Okay, so this is the function of the S. Highlight it. Okay, I'm done with finding the function of the V, the function of the S. Now we go back to the questions. Okay, see what actually the question want. Okay, they want you to find the instantaneous displacement of the particle from O when T is 3. Very easy. Once you have the functions already, just replace the T as 3, then you will get the S. But 2, when the particle at rest. Okay, rest means what? V equals 0. Where is the V function? Here it is. Let this equals 0. Okay. So continue. 12 plus 4t minus t squared. Okay. 12 plus 40 minus t squared equals 0. Solve for the t. I need to know is when. Only I can put the t, replace the t as a number in the function of the s to get the s. Okay, so when I solve it, okay, by factorization, I got the t is -2 and t is 6. Okay, t time cannot take negative value, so the only answer t equals 6. Okay, it means actually this question is asking the displacement when t equal to 6, but the question I want to set be a more difficult way. So they don't tell you t equal to 6. You have to find the t equal to 6. They give you conditions. Okay, they saying the particle is at rest. Okay, at rest means v equals 0. This one you have to remember. Okay, so when t equals 6, replace the t with 6 in the function of the s, you get the s, 72. Okay, next, we still have part B. Okay, what is the part B? Okay, find the distance traveled by the particle in the 7 seconds. I think this one I go through review before. Okay, there are different. If they ask the distance traveled by the particle in the first 7 seconds and the 7 seconds are 2 different questions. Okay, so for this question, they are asking for at the 7 seconds, means you use S7 minus S6 and then modulus it. Okay, you can refer to this formula. Okay, so this one is asking for distance traveled, okay, in the 7 seconds. So it's S7 minus S6. Okay, happen that this T equals 6, find the S, this is S6. Okay, so you put a 72 here. So you will just need one more, which is the S7. Okay, so S7 is this. When T is 7, okay, replace the T with 7, okay, to get the S. Okay, therefore this minus this, okay, then you come up with you end up with a negative answer after modulus, okay, become positive because distance traveled cannot have negative value. Okay, it's a scalar value, so no negative. Yeah. Okay, for this question, if the question asks, okay, what is the distance traveled at the first 7 seconds? What is the answer should be? First 7 seconds. Okay, you see, this particle is start from the point O, the fixed point O. Okay, it move until when t equal to 6, it rests for a while. This one we know, just now. Okay, when the question asks, particle at rest, is at when t equal to 6. Okay, so when t equals 6, the particle is at 72. Means from t equals 0 to t equals 6, the particle are moving to the right hand side. Okay, so that it will end up at 72. It rests for a while, the particle will stop for a while and turn back, okay, to the left. Okay, and then when t equals 7, okay, this S7, okay, I got the answer is, okay, the particle is at 67/2/3. Okay, so if the question asking for, okay, what is the distance traveled? Okay, at the first 7 seconds. Okay, means the whole journey start from the t equals 0 until t is 7. Okay, what is the journey? Okay, the total distance traveled. So means from here to here. Okay, this is 72. Then from here to here. Okay, from here to here, which is this answer, 4 and 1/3. Okay, so for this, the answer will be 72 plus 4 1/3. Okay, so it's 76 1/3. This is the total distance traveled at the first 7 seconds. So you must be very clear. Okay, the first 7 seconds and in the 7 seconds. Okay, what is the difference? Yeah, don't make mistake. This one. Okay, come. We go to the exercise 8.7. Okay, look at this. Okay, so this one will be your homework. Okay, but same thing. I want to go through with you. Okay, so you can revise your integration and you can revise all sorts of the conditions. Okay, so now we start. Okay, move along a straight line. Okay, passes through a fixed point O with an initial velocity of 3. Okay, its accelerations, okay, t second after passing through O is given by a equals 6 minus 3t. Okay, find the initial displacement. So finding s. Okay, when t is 5, okay, t is 5 is no condition. Its velocity is uniform. Okay, what is the meaning? Okay, so next girl, Ravania. Okay, given there here A, it seems like just now the example. So we are asking to find S. So I need to integrate. Okay, so can you help? Okay, first of all, I need to integrate V. Okay, so not integrate V, sorry. I want to find V, okay, by integrate A with respect to T. So integrate 6 minus 3T, okay, dt. Can you help? What's the answer? Integrate 6 minus 3T. Ravania here? Can you help? Integrate 6 minus 3T with respect to T. What's the answer? Okay, 60. Okay, integrate 6, you get 60. Very good. Okay, you integrate a negative 3t, so t squared over 2. Negative. Wrong, Ravania. Okay, I've done for you. Okay, t, when you integrate t, you will get t squared over 2. So it's negative 3 t squared over 2. Okay, and then plus c. Okay, never mind. You try another time. Okay, next girl. Ruzaina. Okay, I want to find the C, Ruzaina. Can you please tell me what the conditions I can put to find the C in this case? What is the V and what is the T? Is Ruzaina here? Okay, V is 3, then V is 3, then what is the T? Ruzaina, V is 3 is not good enough. Yeah, okay, T is 0. Okay, then I can find the, okay, C. Okay, when I substitute T is 0, here this one is 0, this one is 0, then the V is 3. So here in this case, C is 3. Okay, I continue. I'm writing out my V. Okay, V is 6T minus 3T squared over 2 plus 3. Now I want to find S. So I need to integrate 6T minus 3T squared over 2 plus 3, okay, with respect to T. Okay, can continue. Next girl. Sarah, give me the integration. Okay, first of all, 6T. When you integrate 6T, you are getting 6T squared over 2. Cut, so you are getting 3T squared. Okay, correct. Next, okay, this is 3 over 2. When you integrate T squared, you are getting T to power 3 over 3. Cut, you are getting T to power 3 over 2. 1 over 2, I guess it's times T to power 3. Your T to power 3 is a denominator, not is a numerator, not denominator. Okay, and then continue to plus 3T and then plus C. Okay, thank you, Sarah. Okay, next girl. Can you please tell me? I want to find the C. Charlene, you are okay or not, Charlene? Charlene, no more fever, You're healthy, Is Charlene here? Okay, you try. Okay, if you cannot, then no, I will call another girl. Okay, then you try another lesson. Never mind, Okay, can you please tell me? Okay, this is S, Okay, I want to find the C. So I need to have a condition for the T and the S. Only I can find the C. So can you please tell me? T is what? S is what? Oh, a condition that you can find from the questions. Okay, very good. T equals 0, S equals 0. Okay, T equals 0, S equals 0. Therefore, C is equals 0. Okay, then you can write out your S. 3t squared minus t to power 3 over 2 plus 3t. Okay. Part A, no problem. When you want to find the S when t equals 5. Okay, now we come to part B. Velocity is uniform. What is this mean? Velocity is uniform. Okay, or anyone maybe want to try, but not the one already I put the tick. Is Shuda here? What's the meaning? Velocity is uniform. Anyone can help? I also not very sure. What's the meaning? Velocity is uniform. Okay, so Sophia and Vanessa say A equals 0. Okay, let us try. Okay, if you say A equals 0. A equals 0. What's the meaning of A equals 0? Means dv dt equals 0. dv dt equals 0 means what? Means maximum or the minimum of the velocity happen. You know, or the velocity happen? Okay, I'm not very sure. When maximum or the minimum velocity happen, the velocity is uniform. The velocity is only a value. The velocity is uniform. Not very sure. Okay, so this is 3t is 6, so t is 2. Okay, I substitute t is 2 inside here. Someone can help? Substitute the t is 2 here. What do you get for s? $14. Okay, correct. The answer at the back is 14. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now you learn another things. When they say velocity is uniform, okay, it means it at the turning point. Okay, so the A is 0 or the dv dt is 0. Okay, so wait, I give for those answer the question. Ravania. Vanessa, I don't give you already lah. Okay, then one more girl. Just now who answer the questions? Okay, so yeah. Thanks for helping. So you put a notes. Okay, velocity is uniform. What's the meaning? Okay, I also want to write down. Okay, next we go to question number 2. I don't want to write it here lah. No space for me actually. Okay, I will do it in a pen. Okay. Okay, look at question number 2. Okay, again, acceleration is given. Okay, t is the time after passing through a fixed point O. Okay, velocity of the particle t equals 1 second after passing through O is the -10. Okay, find the instantaneous displacement. So they want to find the S. Okay, when blah blah. Okay, when blah blah. Okay, so same thing. I don't have the S function. Okay, I have the A functions. Okay, functions of the A. Okay, so I start with this. Okay, so I cannot straight away go to the S. I have to go through V. Okay, so integrate 12t minus 8. Okay, with respect to the t. Okay, who is the next one? Siranya, tell me the answer for this integration. Siranya here. Is Siranya here? Okay, 6t squared. Okay, your answer. Okay, let us check. This one, when you integrate, you are getting 12t, okay, squared over 2. So 6t squared, okay. Next, integrate 8, you will get 8t, okay, plus c. Thank you. So this is the v. Okay, next girl. I want to find the c. Can you please tell me what condition can I put for the t and the v? Oh, okay. Critical is okay? Sarah, can you please tell me what condition should I put for the t and the v?
Is it V equal to 0, T equal to 1?
Sorry, cannot hear you. T equals what?
T equal to 1, V equal to 0.
Okay. V equal to 0.
0, is it?
You look at this.
V equal to negative 10.
Okay. So t equals 1, v equals to?
Negative 10.
Can you repeat? Okay, negative 10. Yeah. Okay, so based on that sentence, okay, the condition you have to put is t equals 1, v equals negative 10. Okay. So I substitute here. So negative 10. Okay, now t is 1. So 6, sorry, 1 squared minus 8 times 1 plus c. Okay. This is 6, so come here minus 6. This is a negative 8, so come here plus 8. So c is minus 16 plus 8, so minus 6. Correct? Okay, if I make any mistake, let me know. So 6t squared minus 8t minus 6. Okay, so this is my function of the v. I highlight it. The function of the a, I highlight it. Okay, next, proceed. Okay, I want to find s by integrate the v with respect to the t. Okay, next go, Sonia 3. Can you do the integration? Sonia 3 here. Wait, okay, but I don't want to wait for too long. Okay, I get the next girl. Xingzi, maybe you can tell me, okay, after we will wait for Sonia 3 to get the integration. After that, how to find the C? Can you give me the conditions for this to find the C? What should we put for the T and the S? Okay, this is the answer by Sonia Sri. Okay, I do by myself. Okay, 6. This is a power 3 over 3. Cut. So I get 2t to power 3. Okay, good. Next, 2 over 2. Cut. So 4 minus 4t squared. Correct. Okay, then this is a minus 6. This is not 8 lah, dear. This is 6. Okay, so 6t and then plus c. Okay. Zingzi, can you answer my questions? Okay, very good. T equals 0, S equals 0. It's because of this. Okay, T second is after passing through O. Okay, therefore T0, S0. Therefore here you are getting C0. Okay, so this is your S. Okay, highlight it. Okay, next, part A. Okay, acceleration is 4. Okay, so for part A, you got to start with A is 4. Okay, A is this. So 12t minus 8 equals to 4. Solve for the t. Okay, after that, use the t, put inside this formula for the s to get the s. This is for part A. Now we go to part B. The particle is at rest. Okay, we repeat many times already. So, but I still want to call the girls to answer me. Nice. When you see the particle is at rest, so what condition is that? Honey's here? Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Okay, this one means V equal to 0. Okay, because we repeat many times already. So you got to set this V. Okay, 6t squared minus 8t minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, then you do, I think this one can simplify. Divide by 2. Okay, then do factorization. Okay, to get the t value. Okay, then after that, same thing, the t put inside the s function to get the s. Because the question asking find the instantaneous displacement. So your final answer is s. Your final answer is s. Okay, so this is for question number 2. Okay, now we continue for question number 3. Okay, come. This is question 3. Okay, a particle is moved along a straight line, passes through a fixed point O with an initial velocity of 8. Okay, accelerations at t second after passing through O is given by this. Okay, find the maximum displacement. Okay, so they want displacement. Okay, so I need the formula. Okay, before I start to answer the questions. Okay, so actually this type of questions if you don't know what to do don't understand the conditions you just have to know do you need to do differentiation, or do you need to do integration? Just do that one will give you a 1-2 marks already actually. Okay, so this one A is given, so I need the V and I need the S. Okay, so I start with the V, integrate the A with respect to T. Okay, I come back to the first girl. Farah, can you do the integration? Farah, so fast. Wait, very good. I don't have to wait for you. 10t, then this one, 2 over 2, cut. So negative t 3, negative 3t squared, correct? Then plus c, okay? Remember to put back the v. Okay, so what is the condition for the t and the v? I don't know whether it's 0. I better don't write 0. I'm not sure. Okay, for me to find the c, what is the condition? Critical? C is negative 8 lah. Which one? Aduh. C is negative 8 lah. Oh, yeah. C is negative 8 lah. 16 and 8 ma. Okay, negative 8. Thank you. Oh, no wonder. Sonia Sri answer me is 8. Oh. Then you have to tell me lah. This is 8 and this is 8. Correct. Then this is 8. Correct. Then this is 8. Not correct. Okay, not correct. Suping, correct.
Yeah, correct already.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we correct this question 3. Okay, critical here or not? Okay, can you tell me the conditions so that I can find the C? T and S, I don't want. I must have a T and V. You see, T and V. I need T and V. I don't want T and S. T and S is later on. When I find the S by integrate the V, then I need T and S. Now I need T and V. No? You want to try again? Read the questions. It's in the sentence. Okay. When T0, V is 8. When T0, V is 8. Okay, so now we substitute. Okay, this is 8. Again, when this is 0, this is 0. Okay, then C is 8. Well, okay, so now V is this is the V. Okay, this is the A, huh? Okay, now we continue. Okay, to find the S. Can I do it here? Okay, S. Okay, integrate the V. Next, girl, do the integration. Suping, huh? Okay, 8, I think the last term. Okay, this one is 2 over 2. I get 5t squared. 5t squared is your middle term. Okay, then this one, 3 over 3, cut. So negative t squared. Negative squared. Okay, this is a last term. Okay, plus c. Okay, so correct. Okay, next, what is the conditions? Okay, for the t and the s. Okay, for me to get the c. Who is the next girl? Okay, Lydia. Okay, t equals 0, s equals 0, correct? Okay, therefore, I replace here 0, 0, 0, 0, so c is 0. Okay, so s is 5t squared minus t to the power 3 plus 8t. Okay, so this is the s. Okay, next. Okay, we go back to the questions. Okay, we only done the finding the function. Okay, the v and the s. Okay, now we have to answer the questions. Okay, find what? Part A. They want the maximum displacement. Okay, maximum displacement happen when? Okay, what is the conditions? Okay, next go. Shahira. Maximum displacement happen when ds dt equals 0, where v equals 0, because ds dt is same as the v. Okay, so ds dt is the v, therefore v equals 0. Okay, so you set this one for part A. You set t as v, v, this is the v, okay, equals 0. Okay, then you do the factorization to get the answer for the t. Okay, after that you get the answer for the t. I'm not very sure whether you got 2 answers for the t. I think so, because this is plus. Plus it should be 2 plus or 2 minus. Cannot be 2 plus. Okay, the 2 plus your 2 answers are negative. So this one should be 2 minus, because here also is negative. Okay, 2 minus, you have a 2 answer. Okay, when you have a 2 answer, you've got to be careful which one is maximum. How do you test which one is maximum? Okay, next girl can answer my questions. Jen, how do I know if I get 2 answers for T? How do I know which one is will give me the maximum displacement, and then the other one will give me minimum of displacement? How do I test? Oh, this question a little bit difficult, no? Is we here? Is region here or not? Region, where are you? dv dt, then how do I know which one is maximum? dv dt equals to what, or is what? Then I know that one is maximum. Okay, dv dt actually is a. Okay, a is dv dt. A is also actually is d square s dt squared. Okay, so she's saying that, okay, use the d square s and dt squared to test. Okay, less than 0. Okay, smaller than 0, then is maximum. Okay, so you got to get the t already. You got to substitute inside the function of the a, see whether it's positive or negative. If positive, then is minimum. If negative, then is maximum. Okay, this is the meaning for the question A. Okay, after that only you decide which t to use. Okay, after you decide already, then the t you put in the s, function s here, to get the value of the s, because they are asking the displacement. They are not asking for a t. Okay, part 2, part B. Find the distance traveled by the particle in the 5th second. Okay, can next girl tell me in the 5th second how to find s what minus s what, and then modulus it. Ravania. Can you please tell me how to find, okay, using what formula is 5th second, s what minus s what? Is Ravania here? Okay. Do you think you can answer my question? Ravania, want to try or not? Okay, next girl. It's okay, Ravania, after you only try again. Okay, Ruzaina. Ruzaina here? Just now only I mentioned in the example actually. Ruzaina, can you do? Okay, they want to find the distance traveled in the 5th second. Can you please tell me is S what minus S what and then modulus? Ruzaina, if you don't know, you have let me know. So I call the next girl to try. S5 minus S4, correct? Okay, S5 minus S4. Okay, thank you, Ravania. Okay, so you remember to put the molars. Okay, S5 means you substitute the T here with 5. Okay, S4 means you substitute the T here with 4. Okay, then you can find the answer. Okay. Okay, we go to next questions. Okay, question number 4 now. Okay, actually today I want to give you to do one PBD one, but I think no time ready, so we will do the PBD next lesson. After I will tell you in detail. Okay, let me finish the syllabus first. Okay, so this is question 4. Okay, Farhan participate in a cycle events organized by a cycling society. Farhan is cycling along the straight road. Okay, so this is kinematic kinematic of linear motion. Okay, because this is they say along a straight road. Okay, at t hour after passing the starting point, its acceleration is given by this. His starting velocity is this. Okay, express the acceleration functions s and the velocity function v in terms of t. Something wrong. This one should not be acceleration. This one should be displacement. Change the question, please. This is displacement. Because acceleration is already given. Okay, wait. I go back to this here. Okay. Okay, so same thing, huh? They need the function of the V, they need the function of the S. Okay, it start with the A. Okay, so wait, okay, I try to write it here. A is 4t minus 16. Okay, so the V, we start with V. Okay, next girl, do the integration, please. Rosaina. Rosaina still here, huh? Okay. I check your answer. 4t, okay, squared over 2. So this is 2t squared. 2t squared, okay? Then this is minus 16t and then plus c. Okay, thank you. Okay, next girl, can you please tell me what conditions I have to use for the t and the v for me to get the c? Sarah? Sarah here? Okay, t is 0, then what is the v? Negative 18 ah, got negative 18 meh? From where you get the negative 18? Mana ada? $16? Aduh hai. Sarah. Sherry, want to try? Ah, 30 lah, ayo. Nah, starting velocity is 30, ayo. Okay, so when this is 0, this is 0, so C is 30, yeah. Okay, so the V is 2t squared minus 16t plus 30. Okay, so I settle for a V. Now I got to settle for S. So integrate this. Okay, Shireen, can you try the integration? Shireen here. Okay, check your answer. Okay, so this is a 2, then this is 3 over 3. Eh? Why is 4 over 3? Should be 2 over 3, ma. I made mistake again, eh? Or you read this as 4, huh? This one cut already, yeah. This one should be 2, ma. Okay, and then this one over 2, cut negative 8. Are you doing the same question as mine? Okay, and then 30t. I confused. Or I made mistake. Or Shirley made mistake. Someone confirm my answer, please. Someone confirm my answer, please. Whether I made mistake. Okay, thank you. Okay, am I correct, huh? Okay, sorry, maybe, I don't know, maybe you are in the wrong question, or maybe your differentiation, your integration is wrong. Okay, so next, Serene, never mind, you will try afterwards. Okay, wait, this is Sarah. Okay, Shuda, can you please tell what condition? Okay, for the T and the S, for me to get the C. Yeah, T is 0, then S. Okay, very good. So all these 0 end up with the C is 0. So your S is, this is 8. This is the T. Okay, so this is the S at the end. So I have a settle for the part A. Now we got to part B. Okay, prove that Farhan stopped instantaneously when T equals 3. Okay, so stop instantaneously. What is the meaning? What condition is that? The next girl. Irania. Try. What condition is that stops instantaneously? Okay, very good. Okay, V equals 0. Okay, so these questions, part B, there are two ways of doing. Okay, method number 1, you can start with the T equals to 3. Okay, put inside the V function. Okay, this function. Okay, then to prove, okay, to prove that you will get 0. Okay, second method is you let the V function be the 0. Means you start with this. Okay, you let this because 0. Okay, then you do see whether you get T is 3. There are two ways of proving. Okay, for number B. Okay, now we go to number C. Okay, find the total distance traveled. Okay, in the first 3 hours. There's the words first 3 hours. Okay, so maybe, okay, because here I know already when T equals to 3, the V equals 0. Okay, so means not necessary. I scared there is another time it stop also. Okay, so I have to find. I better use this second method so that I know there are two T so that I know whether they stop another T or not. Okay, so we try. Okay, so for this, okay, this is T. Okay, this one can divide by 2. You cannot simply divide by 2. Like example, here you cannot divide by 2. Okay, here you divide by 2, your V is wrong already. When the equation is equal to 0, you only can divide by 2. It means that you divide by 2 every terms. 0 divided by 2 is what? 0. Then only you can divide by 2. Cannot simply divide by 2. Okay, so 15. Okay, I don't know whether I need your help or not. I try first. Okay, 3 and 5. I think correct. 3 and 5. Okay, negative, negative. So this is minus 3, minus 5, minus 8. Okay, so my answer for the for the T is 2 answer, 3 and 5. Okay, therefore it stopped at the first time is when T equals 3. So it's okay. Okay, because they want to find the first 3 hours. Okay, this one everything in hours. Hours correct. Hours not second. Okay, not second. Okay, so correct. So means the for this journey, the first 3 hours, the particle didn't turn. In that case, then your find the total distance traveled is more simple already. Okay, so you just have to find when the T equals 0, what is the S? And when t equals 3, okay, what is the s? Because the particle didn't turn during this duration from the t equals 0 until 3. Okay, so when t equals 0, here is this, okay, s equals 0. When t equals to 3, okay, when t equals to 3, I don't have it. Okay, so you substitute here. Power 3, power 2, okay, then get the answer. Okay, therefore, your final answer is this, because it starts with 0, okay, then you come to here, okay, so the whole journey is this minus 0, okay, so your answer will be this. Okay, so this is for number 4C. Okay, we still have like 15 minutes more. Okay, we come back to the textbook. Okay, did I Sivrania? Okay, I have to give you 1 mark, right? Okay, we come back to the textbook. Okay, so this exercise don't do first. Okay, we come to this. Okay, this is the last part already, applications. So this one you see, I will repeat many times already. Okay, these two. Okay, so when you use in differentiation and when you use the integration. Okay, this one must be very clear. Okay, then to do this chapter actually not a problem. Okay, so now you see this questions. Example 13. Fariza. Okay, start running along a straight line for 30 seconds. For 30 seconds, okay, from a starting point. Okay, her velocity is given by this. Okay, for the time from the 0 to 30. Find the time in seconds when her acceleration is 0. Okay, you see, we start with this. Okay, highlight the function. Always highlight the 3 function. I have the V already. They are asking the acceleration. Means I need the function of the A. Okay, so if you're having V, how to find A? If you're having V, how to find A? Okay, you can find A by differentiate V with respect to T. Okay, when you mix, okay, maybe you will get confused. That's why I'm saying you have to be very clear. Okay, so A, how to get A? You do dV dt. Okay. Okay, how to get A? You do dV dt. Okay, so this is the V. Okay, so you differentiate this with respect to T. This one you get 0.9. This one you will get the 2 bring in front, 0.03 times 2, 0.06, and then T. Okay, so this is the A. Go back to the question again. Okay, this is the function for the A. Highlight it. Always the student want to find the function, then at the end they cannot find it. Okay. They are asking for the time when acceleration is 0. So you set the function that you found just now, the A equals to 0, get the T. Because they are asking for a T. Okay, set the A equals 0. Therefore, you set this is equal to 0, find the T. They are asking for the T. Okay, now we go to part B. Okay, part B, they are asking the distance. Okay, the distance traveled in meter. Okay, means she ran for 30 seconds. Okay, so this one actually means the distance traveled, okay, in the first 30 seconds. They don't tell you, no, but you have to understand the meaning. Okay, if run for first 30 seconds. But this question is very good, because you know that running, it will not stop and come back for this question. Not like the particle. Okay, because you see a land like this, you start from here, then you running you takkan you stop for a while and then you run this way back. Don't have this kind of possibility actually. Okay, we don't know maybe it mentioned in the question, then it will happen. Okay, not very sure. Let us try. Let us see. Okay, since we have V, okay, we let the V is 0 and see. Okay, see what will happen. Okay, let the V is 0. Okay, so 0.9 T, 0.03 T squared. Okay, see, no, is my story correct or not? Not turning back. Okay, but always you can try. Mana tahu, okay, the questions are gila-gila, huh? Okay, so T is 0 is 1. The other one is 0.03. T is 0.9. So T is, okay, 0.9 divided by 0.9. Okay, this is 30. Okay, so means she's when T is 0, she the speed is 0. When T is 30, the speed again, okay, is 0. Why? Because run finish already, she only run for 30 seconds, so sharp at the 30 second, the velocity is 0, she run finish already. This is the meaning. Okay, so now I need the function of the S. Okay, before I can get the value. Okay, so after that, after I get the function for S, very simple, I just get the S to T, because same thing, when T is 0, S is 0. Yeah, so now how to get S is if I have V. Okay, if I have V, how to get S? Okay, by integrate the V with respect to T. Okay, so part B, integrate the V with respect to T. Okay, this is after the integration. Okay, the condition here is T0 S0, therefore C0. So this is the function for the S, highlight it. Okay, then when T equals to 30, find the S. So this is the total distance traveled. Okay, 135 meters. Okay. Okay, I think we got not much time. So this one, I leave it to you. So today you got 2 homeworks. Okay, just now that 4 questions, actually, mostly I have got to review. You just try by yourself. Okay, get the answer. Okay, then but this exercise, the 4 questions, 1, 2 here, the other 1, 2 here, 4 questions altogether. Try the questions. These 4 questions not that easy. You give it a try first, okay? If cannot, you WhatsApp me, then we will discuss in the next lesson or what. Okay, I still have 10 more minutes. I go through with you a little bit. So next lesson is this Friday. So you prepare. Actually, I told you to prepare. Okay, chapter 7, which is linear programming. You need to prepare the questions with a graph paper. It's a long questions, at 10 mark questions. Right, chapter 7 is what? Linear programming, correct? Okay, so that one we will do during Friday lesson. Okay, then one more thing is I want to show you your PBD result so far. Okay, so I still sharing the screen, right? Okay, I will stop recording first. Wait.